So the videos that we are offering are not being offered for the truth of what Mr. Carter is saying.
Well, I'm gonna disagree with you. I'm gonna respectfully disagree with you.
It's just showing that he said that, Your Honor,
No,
and it's being.
But it is for the truth of the matter. Sorry, it's a relationship. But you're using what Mr. Carter's saying now. If you tell me Mr. Carter's coming, okay, well then he can give context to it.
Talking about Lil Wayne.
That's why I asked you: is Lil Wayne or Mr. Carter coming to testify? Because he's the best person to lay the foundation. You're going to have some problems. I'm just going to tell you right now. Admitting this evidence because even the guy that's doing this compilation, he may not know anything about it. I mean, and you're not having him come and testify and give some basis. So I'm not going to let you present that evidence because it is being offered for a truth of the matter asserted. It has confrontation clause issues that go along with it. So unless you tell me, hey, Mr. Carter's going to come here, put his right hand up, and then he's probably in a better position to talk about, yeah, I made that video, or I didn't make that video. Here's the context of what was going on with us behind that.
Right.
And any other things that are relevant for the purposes of that. But
YouTube, what's up? It's your boy, What's Up, G. We gonna pay attention to this Young Thug case. Right now, they trying to bring Lil Wayne into it, or the prosecution is. But the judge curved her. The judge curved her completely because she's trying to bring the situation of Lil Wayne in an interview that Lil Wayne had into the case without actually bringing Lil Wayne in there. She's just trying to use almost like hearsay. It's hearsay at this point if you don't got the actual person who you can bring in to say that happened. You get what I'm saying? She's trying to bring up the shooting incident and what Lil Wayne said on different occasions. But you can't do that unless you actually bring Lil Wayne in. And my boy Wayne ain't going on listening.
Its effect on the listener, Your Honor, is the other.
I'm telling you, I'm not going to allow that. So let's just move on from there.
About time the judge stood up.
Your Honor, I do hear what the court says and always.
So you're still going to argue with me, right?
He got you.
I don't want to.
Okay, all right. I'm just telling you right now. You can introduce the evidence. You're just not going to. This is like I told Mr. Steele, but you cannot introduce it in that manner and method. It has too many other problems and objections that go along with it. So if you want to bring Mr. Carter in here, then fine. You'll have less of a problem getting this in. I understand what you're saying about relationship, but it's still the words themselves. And since there's no confrontation as to it.
It's not testimonial, Judge. There's not a confrontation issue when it's not testimonial. And I know that the court is aware that the rules of evidence are inclusive rules. And I wanted to be.
I know what the purpose of the federal rules of evidence, or the state rules of evidence are, which we patterned. Right. So please don't be condescending to me, Ms. Lowe. No. I know. I mean, I rule upon the rules of evidence every single day. I get something right, something wrong, and that's why, and that's the purpose. But I understand the object of the rules of evidence is to allow for most evidence to be admitted. However, it's got to be relevant and it's got to be for a particular purpose. Now, I'm telling you, if you get Mr. Carter in here, then you'll solve a number of your problems.
All right, y'all. So there we have it. Just looking at it, she's trying to introduce evidence that's really hearsay. And if you ever been a part of a court proceeding, I went back and forth. I learned some stuff about going back and forth with the judge because I done been in court and I done, you don't want to. You can lose a case sometimes just by going back and forth with the judge. You can be completely right. They human and they petty, bro. They'll get mad at you and just dismiss everything you try and do just because they irritated. But listen, it's What's Up, Gio. We're going to follow this case. We're going to follow Young Thug, Free Thugger. It's What's Up, G. I'm out, y'all.